Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to add a certain percent to a number in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, we are going to show you how to add 15% to the 100 right here in cell A1. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So my first question is, what is 15% of 100? So if I type equals and I click on cell A1 and then I type an asterisk for multiplication and then I multiply that by 0.15 and hit enter, I can see that I'm returned with 15. But the 15 here is the 15% of the 100. It is not telling me what the final value is. So in order to get that, I would have to add together, and I can do that by typing equals, the 100 right here in cell A1, and then plus the amount I have right here in cell B1. And if I hit enter, then I see that 115 is the 100 plus 15% more. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. Now I can actually do all of this just in one step. So if I click over here in C1, if I type equals and I click on A1 again, because 100 is what I want to add the 15% to. If I type times, and this time instead of putting just 15%, I put 1.15% right here and hit enter, I will be returned with the 115 in one simple step. So if I want to get 15% of a number, I will multiply the original number by 0.15. But if I want to include the value, like I want to know what the total value is when I add 15% to this 100, then, like in C1, I want to multiply by 1.15, so that includes the original 100. Now, there are many ways to add percents to a number, and we go into more detail on that out on our blog. And I will include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.